How's it going, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video on how to make your car pop. This method actually works with any car, really, and it's taking advantage of your fuel system and allowing your car to run rich when it's not expecting to. And this is not a clickbait video. I'm making this because every video I've seen is so clickbait and so specific to somebody's case. And this is just a general rule that you can apply to any car. Let's get into it. First thing you have to do, actually, drive around for a bit, get your car up to operating temperature. The basic rule that I've kind of come up with and I have results to prove is that whenever your fuel system is open and your engine is being revved or is coming down from a rev, that is when you're going to have a rich scenario, and that is when you're going to actually have pops. So how do we use this to our advantage? There are two ways that I have kind of come up with. The first one is that while you're moving, you throw your car in neutral and you give it some blimps up to about 2,000. That was a second gear stop. You give it blimps up to about 2,000. And what this is going to do is it's going to richen up the system so that when your RPMs are falling back down, let me shift. When your RPMs are falling back down, your fuel system's open. The second way is downshifting. And you kind of have to do a messy downshift for this to work. So what I mean by this is that, say you're doing a first gear downshift, not recommended by the way, but if you are to do a first gear downshift, what you would do is you would give it a half rev match and then let engaging your clutch rev up your engine the rest. And what this is going to do is it's going to quickly richen up the system when you're giving gas to your engine, and then your momentum is going to increase this rotational speed of your engine, and this is going to cause your unignited fuel to burn in your system. What I mean by your system is your exhaust system. So that is my method for making this car and pretty much all naturally aspirated, electronically fuel injected cars pop like that. It's pretty reliable, and I would love to know what you guys think. This is definitely not a method where I got a chip on this car or something that makes it pop like that. It's pretty much like, aside from the obvious aside from the mods that everybody has, like intake and exhaust and stuff like that, you can do this to any car. So I would love to see, please leave your comments down, and I really am interested in seeing what cars this actually works on. Because from what I've tried, it works on a lot of different models. So yeah, let me know how it goes.